Hi there, Big Al again, and what we're going to be doing tonight is some classic Aussie country cooking. So this is a recipe that's even been known in Buckingham Palace. The most famous of all Australian recipes, Lady Flo's pumpkin scones. So we're going to go all Aussie. We'll start with beverage and all Australian beer, Coopers. So cheers, big ears. It's reasonably simple. First we start with butter, sugar, 2.5 cups, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour. Although I've already done this wrong, haven't I? Yeah. Anyway, all good. So first we beat the egg. We're supposed to beat the sugar with it, but I've already stuffed that up. But we'll put a bit of sugar in it, eh? So we'll just make it a bit sweeter than normal. A dash of salt. Doesn't come out too good in that container, but you get the picture. Oops, suppose I've got to turn it on, eh? Love this little gadget. Put that in. Add some butter. I think it's about a tablespoon, eh? And pure butter, eh? Not margarine. You want butter. Butter tastes better. And it's natural. I reckon it's better for you. Look at it all happening. All mixed and creamy. Yep, that's it there. And then add your salt, in the pumpkin. Now that's probably miles too much because it's only supposed to be 1 cup. So it's going to be a very pumpkin-y scone. Everywhere, eh? I think I'm going to have a mess at the end because I think you've got to hand sift the rest in. I stir in the flour, which is 2.5 cups. I've already put 1 cup in that bowl. There's the 2nd cup. And get out a trusty wooden spoon. I had one of them broken across my ass when I was a boy. Upset my mama. She wasn't going to hurt her hand on my backside. looking good. A bit more flour. Probably made this too thick because of too much pumpkin. But as for someone who's never made it before, it's easy. I'll just add more pumpkin and more liquid stuff to make it, fix it up. Oh yeah, it's getting doughy. So that's what we need, is a good doughy mixture, I would assume. Yep, and apparently Queen Elizabeth II knew this, has tasted these pumpkin scones, and I believe so has Prince Charles. I ate them once as a kid. I was 10 years old when I went to Lady Flo's place and Sergio. Amazing. You know, you think about things, you think, oh frig, I'm not going to make that, that's going to be difficult. And as you can see, this is turning out quite easy. Tastes alright like this. But we'll start with this tray. This part I've never seen in the recipe. Just says to put it on a floured tray. Bit of flour on your hands. That helps when you, so it doesn't stick to your hands as much. But just roll it around the flour on the tray a bit, I suppose. That'll work the job. So they're not so sticky. A bit more flour on the hands. Probably stick a bit of that on there like that. Yeah, that's working out. Maybe that's the way to do it. Roll them around in a bit of flour so they don't stick to your hands. I don't think they're going to really come out like scones, eh? Not with me doing it this way. But what I do think is, regardless, they're going to end up tasting ripper. Flour. I'm going to check with my Auntie Elma. She'll know how to make scones better than me. I should have asked her when I saw her yesterday. So. And what I didn't do is I'm supposed to preheat the oven. So, excuse my fingers, I'm going to turn the oven on. About 150, 160. Sounds like it's working. Yep, I'm going to have enough for a second tray. I know she said flour the tray. I don't think she meant flour it as this much. Should be able to put a fourth one in there. Like a little kid playing in plasticine. Anyway, wash your hands a sec. I'll get the other tray out of the oven. Do both, let them both in at the same time. Okay, that'll have an heats up pretty quick. I always use quality flour too. I don't buy the home brand stuff. I don't know if there's any difference or not really, but yeah, sticky, sticky, sticky. The last one. I'm going to eat the rest out of that bowl because it does tasty yummy. This one might be a little bit smaller. Oh, there's a bit there. There we go. The flour in, what's this? With the plasticine. Okay, that one actually, yep, I think they're going to crack up on me, eh? Might have been more butter. Butter usually helps them stick together better. So what we do now, stick them in the oven for 20 minutes and see what the hell they look like. That's what they look like now. No idea what they're going to look like when they come out. But I do know they're going to taste damn yummy. Okie dokie everybody, see you in 20 minutes. Oh, here we go. I don't think they've turned out like scones should, but I reckon they'll taste like them. Yep, they didn't rise up like scones, but yeah. I reckon they'll taste pretty awesome. I've got to get myself a set of proper, what do you call it? Gloves for getting shit out of the oven. Instead of my trusty tea towel. So they don't look like normal scones, no. But the colours there, they definitely look like they're pumpkin. I suppose I should have the right PPE for this. So what you need now is some, I won't say jam, what I'll say is guava jelly, cream. Oh yep, they come off good, so using that was thingo. They're probably going to cool down a bit, but yes. Look at that colour on the inside. Bloody awesome. Oh well, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, view, like, subscribe, and share, and hasta la vista, baby.